Today I want to talk about a marketing concept called unboxing. So I guess I got into marketing when I was just starting work in my family business, and it was my way of contributing to the family business. So I have been very lucky. My parents have been entrepreneurs. They opened the first a la carte restaurant in Ballarat in Victoria. Their very first business together was a little sandwich cart. So they've been in hospitality, I guess, for most of their lives. Then later on, and most recently, they've opened a training organisation where we do training for hospitality businesses. So I was very lucky. We always got to sort of work in the office after school and stuff like that. And then I got to go to university, which was my dream, and I didn't really have any ambitions about what I wanted to study at university, so I did a whole bunch of stuff. I did just what I was interested in. Started off with maths and science, so I really loved chemistry. I did biochemistry and I did pharmacology, but I also really loved the arts, so I did cinema studies because I love film, and I did some philosophy and stuff like that. So I guess I was really lucky to be able to, live my dream, and that was thanks to my parents. And we've always been a really close family. And when I had finished at university and I went overseas, when I came back, I was at a little bit of a loss of what to do, and I thought, it's going to be easy working for the family business. So, I jumped in and started doing some student records. But it wasn't long until I guess I felt like what I was doing wasn't as important as what the other people in the business were doing. And that's really, that's a self problem, and that's might be considered silly, but I wanted to do something that I was interested in, something that was creative, but also that had a real impact on the business. So I was really, attracted to the idea of marketing. So my parents supported me in enrolling in a marketing degree. And that was really great. I loved learning about marketing. We learned a lot of theory, and it was all really based on those big companies like Coca-Cola and Toyota, and advertising and mass awareness and stuff like that. And to be honest, I really struggled in how to apply that to our small business. So once I'd finished that, it took me a couple of years, and I dabbled with this and that. And then I came across, when online courses started becoming really popular, probably, it would have been like a few years ago now, maybe 3 or 4 years ago. And I came across some digital marketing courses, because I thought, that's the way of the future, digital marketing. I'll get involved. And I went to a workshop, and I connected with this woman who runs this amazing group. And she recommended ClickFunnels. And I still wasn't sold because I thought it was really expensive. But then a friend of mine that I connected with, she said, well, they've got this great thing going, which is the One Funnel Away Challenge. And she said it's only, it's quite affordable, but it's full on. It's a full on thing. And by that stage, I guess I was really quite into funnels. So I enrolled in that. And now I want to take you through, before I go into this unboxing, which is the exciting part, I did have a really fantastic experience with the One Funnel Away Challenge. So it's all about building marketing funnels, so online funnels using landing pages and lead generation and email marketing. And it's really an alternative to websites and big budget advertising and just generic stuff. So, it's called direct response marketing, because you can measure the direct response and see what's effective and grow your business, from there. And so one of the really cool things about it is, it costs $100, but within, usually that's quite an affordable price. And it's really cheap for just even the online component of the course. But then they have this welcome pack that goes with it. And the welcome pack is something that I think is really important in marketing. So it's something that you can include with your offer, whatever that is. It's something physical and something tangible that really increases the perceived value. And so, you know, within my courses and my new course, I'm really excited to put together the welcome pack for it and include some goodies. And people really enjoy getting something physical, especially when it's a digital product. So I finally got my One Funnel Away challenge. It took a little bit of time to get to me in Australia. But now I'm going to go through the box that we get, so the welcome pack. And this is what we call an unboxing video. So I've still got to think about how you can apply this in the best way within your hospitality business. But one thing that I can think of straight away is if you are selling large events. So people that doing like sell wedding packages or big function packages, having a welcome pack would really, really like increase the perceived value and really like top end that customer experience that you're offering. So let's have a look what's in this box. So we get this, like, it's quite big, you can see. It has the branding on it, the One Funnel Away branding, which is by this software package called ClickFunnels, and digital marketing, I guess, guru called Russell Brunson, if you've heard of him. So let's open the box. It's got this cool little message in it that you probably can't read, but it says, "To each there comes in their lifetime a special moment when they are figuratively tapped on the shoulder and offered the chance to do a very special thing, unique to them and fitted to their talents. What a tragedy if that moment finds them unprepared or unqualified for that which could have been their finest hour." So it's a Winston Churchill quote. And, you know, it's pretty nice little inspiring thing to get you sort of motivated for when you open this. You know, get you involved and engaged and thinking, yeah, you know, I do want to do something great. And, you know, the people, this is what these people want for me too. It comes with a little brochure. This is like a letter, really. But it's basically about you promoting their stuff for them. So, you know, it's a way to enable people to do the program that can't afford it. So what they can do is sell it on. There is this, let's see if I can tip it up. Like, it looks pretty cute, let's be honest. I've got in here all this red lovely stuff. Ooh, what's this? So we get this little box. It looks very groovy. Oh my goodness. Like an MP3 player. Like, that's a pretty cool gift, yeah. Oh, and this, now I remember, this MP3 player has on it all of the lessons, all of the audio lessons. So you can listen to them. So you don't have to watch the video, so you can listen to them in the car like you listen to a podcast. And you don't. So when this challenge is only online for 30 days. So then after the 30 days, I can still listen to the training, which is awesome because the training was like top notch. I learned so much and stuff I already knew, but really just solidified it and really honed it in. So we've got that little box. Ooh, we've got this lovely special package with this foil print on it, which is very like fancy. I love shiny things. So this would have been hand wrapped by someone too, which I find a really nice touch. Wow, so we get like a full-on book. So this is legit. What am I? Oh, that's just this is a promo for their affiliate program, so you're earning money by selling their stuff. This is pretty cool. So this is a full-on, like, this is a sizable book. It's very good quality. Like, this is awesome. So this is, Russell has interviewed all these people who've made $1 million and said, you suddenly lose everything. What would you do from day 1 to day 30 if you've lost everything and you've got 30 days of a ClickFunnels account and that's it to build your business up or build your lifestyle up again? So it's very cool. So it maps out really like straightforward step-by-step things that people who have a proven system have done. So there's, I think, there's 30. So there's 30 people that have 30 different strategies that you could copy or model in here. Like, that's pretty amazing, and it's a really great book. That's a really cool freebie. And then we've got the 2 Comma Club's coaching. So the 2 Comma Club is for people who make $1 million, which sounds pretty cool, doesn't it? I think anyone who wants to is interested in sort of, I guess, digital marketing, would, like, that would sound really cool. And most people, that's their goal. They want to get a 2 Comma Club award. So this is their coaching program. So, you know, basically it's a sales brochure. Got to include them in everything we do. Oh, here's a big thing in here. I think that's the last thing. Here is the workbook. So they've made the box. Yeah, cool. All right, got all the bits out of it, all the lovely wrapping. And this is a workbook. So this is a workbook for the online course. So it goes through, has all of the cool content, so all of the printables that are in the course. So you can print these out and save them as you go, but this has them all together. So all of the worksheets, so you can complete in pen. And look, I love pen and paper. I find that whenever I'm doing a course, I love to print the things out and fill them in paper. Even if I don't keep them, I find it really, really helpful to do this. So, like, this is so super cool. And look, the course was really broken down into really great chunks as well, and how to do them. So I guess let's have a look at what's included here. So there's the swag, pretty good swag bag. Yeah, so that's, unboxing is a thing, obviously, where, it's a big thing in e-commerce, where you encourage your clients to unbox their purchase and show their excitement on their face when they sort of go into it, and how much they like your product. And I think that it's a great concept, and this is sort of how it works. And I was really impressed by the One Funnel Away Challenge pack that was really basically for free. And I'm really excited to make up my welcome pack. If you have any ideas about what I should include in my welcome pack, what you'd love to receive, when you join, my online marketing coaching program, please let me know. A couple of ideas I have already are a really nice pen, and along with a really cool workbook, and maybe some cool things like, this isn't like a physical thing, but a Spotify playlist that you could use for, getting in the groove of things. And maybe even some recipes, because, we're into food and drink, or some cocktail recipes. That could be a cool thing. Or some little samples of tea. I love drinking tea when I'm sort of, getting my creative zone and I'm doing courses. So if you reckon that's a cool idea, please let me know. Or if you have any other ideas, please let me know. And I've said it before, but I'll say it again. If you have a hospitality business where you do high-end, like large purchase things, so, weddings or large functions, having a welcome pack could be a really, really cool way for you to really supersize or charge your customer experience. The things you get, like even just with things like that you get at a high-end hotel, little samples of things and that are related to your business and the product or the service that you're selling. So I hope this has given you maybe a cool idea. And if you are interested in joining this, One Funnel Away Challenge, let me know. It is quite cool. It's all about funnels. Bye.